What's up, everybody? John with John's Pressure Washing, and today we're going to be asking the age-old question: which pump-up sprayer is the best? And by which one, I got these two. You got the Dewalt 2-gallon pump-up sprayer and the Ace 2-gallon pump-up sprayer. Let's get into it. So first up, what we're going to look at is the make of the actual pump-up sprayer. So you can see this thing right here is pretty sturdy. Has a hose, has a clip to hold the sprayer itself. It goes in there, and it comes with like six nozzles to put on, which I only got one, but that's the one we're going to be testing today. And it's going up against the Home and Garden Ace hardware store 2-gallon pump-up sprayer. This one, simple as it gets. Hose connection, relief pressure right there. 2-gallon as well, pump-up sprayer. Both pretty thick, but as you can see, this one's gonna catch people's eyes. Price difference, this one's about 45, I think, 48. This one is about, I think, $25. So, yeah, figure that right there. And this right here is the equipment that comes with the Ace pump-up sprayer. The pump itself, not too bad. It's gonna do what it needs to do. I'm gonna set that there. The sprayer itself, here's the tip of it. I don't know if it'll, there you go. And what's cool about this is that you can adjust it right here. This is the adjust, so you don't have to clip on, clip off, take off, unthread, thread back on, anything like that. So that's neat. But also, it's very, you could tell the quality of it. I mean, I could probably snap this with my hand, look. Well, I'm not going to, because we'll find that out. Now let's go to the Dewalt equipment. Alright, here's the Dewalt. This is the Dewalt pump. Very meaty. This handle right here is so sturdy. This, I mean, it's quality. I'd fight somebody with this. And here's the sprayer itself. I mean, this is one of those examples of you paid what you get for. You get what you pay for, sorry. I mean, and this handle right here is just ridiculous. As far, I mean, we're talking firearm action right here. Anyways, so here's the tip. This is like an H tip, I believe, or a fan tip. And to switch the tips, you'd have to take this off. There's a little O-ring in there, a flat washer gasket, I believe. Replace that. And then this is just a 45-degree angle. So if you want to replace this, you take this off and put this back in its place. So you know what I'm saying? You can't just adjust it on the fly like you can the Ace. This right here is pretty sturdy. I cannot break this with just my hand. Again, the grip, handle, that locks it in place so you don't have to hold it down the whole time. And then the hose. Hose is really good quality. And then here's the dipstick that goes inside. In my opinion, if you look at this, the Dewalt stick, this part goes inside the pump. Let's compare the two. Look at that. The black one is Dewalt, the clear one is the Ace. And in my opinion, the clear one is a little bit better quality. So it's crazy though. Alright, moving on. And right here, real quick, is a pump comparison. The inside, that pushes the pressure through. Here's DeWalt, here's the Ace. Let's check the handles. More ergonomical grip with Ace. This one's just straight. Crazy stuff. Alright guys, back. Both of these pump sprayers have about a gallon in them, which is half of 2 gallons. and we're gonna see which one. This one's gonna have like a fan tip. This one's gonna have an adjustable tip. Reason is, I was already planning to do this video and realized I didn't have the nozzles. It comes with a brass tip that's real adjustable, and when I get that one in my hand later, we will do a test on that. But first we're gonna do Dewalt, then we're gonna do Ace. And here we go. That's shooting over there. That's about 5 feet away, 6 feet. Here we go. Ace one. Again, these are pumped up. Here you go. Oh, wait. Look at that. That's spray. I'm going to adjust it as we're going. It's more of a fine tip. We're going to open it up. That's about as far as it'll go. Let's see. Covers a lot more area. Gonna pump both up and spray them both at the same time. Here you go. Let's see. The other one the Dewalt has a tip that can adjust the spray from like this, like a cone spray. This is just a fan tip. But something I noticed was that, in my opinion, this Ace puts out a lot more volume. Let's see. See if you can see that. There you go. Anyways, guys, your opinion on which one's better? I want to say, as far as adaptability, I think hold on, let me fix this. As far as adaptability goes, I think Dewalt pump sprayer is good. 6 different nozzles, 6 different scenarios. There's a brass adjustable one that will allow you to shoot straight tip all the way to like a cone tip, which the Ace one does as well. But the good thing about the Ace is that the nozzle is that you can adjust it right there on the fly. The Dewalt, you're taking maybe a minute. Take off that one, replace the gasket, put the head inside the threads, put it back on. I mean, maybe less than a minute. It's hot out here, guys. It's Texas weather. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna look I'm gonna get that other tip, and we're gonna put it up against that brass adjustable tip. What it does is you put it on the sprayer and you can tune it, kind of the exact same thing that the Ace does, but in my opinion, I think the Ace shoots out a little bit more volume when it comes to like a cone. But I've used both. I guess really depends. Anyways, guys, let me the family vehicle is out, and that's where I believe the spray nozzles are for the Dewalt. Until then, I'll be back in a minute. It's hot out here. I'm gonna go look for that nozzle. Alright, everybody, so I found the tip. This is that nozzle. Oh, great. Anyways, this one will allow you to adjust it cone wise. See, turn it that way, that one. I've used this a couple times, so that's why it looks used, obviously. Anyway, so there's one. This is like a jet. This is like a H or a fan tip. Another fan tip. And then they're all fan tips. And this is what you thread it onto with the gasket. And there's a jet nozzle. That one fell down there as well. So anyways, so the one that we're going to test against the Ace sprayer is this one right here, because this one shoots a cone out like that one. And all they say is hand tighten the threads. If you take this off, nope, still got some pressure in there. If you take this off, you can put this one on here and it'll be a straight shot, but obviously it's a 45. So alright, let's test them out again. Okay, so now we're gonna use, I'm gonna pump it up, the cone adjustable spray tip for the Dewalt first. Alright, I had it too far. Adjust it all the way. Should give it a, there you go. See, it's like a mist. Let's see. See the cone? Oh, I know. There you go. And you go more. Turns into more of a stream. And that one shoots. I mean, that's shooting. That's a good 20 feet right there, give or take. Anyways, now for the cone of Ace. Again, real easy to adjust this. Here we go. I'm gonna scoot the camera up. Here's the adjustable spray. Here's this. Let's see. Here's the Ace. I just feel like that covers a lot more ground. And here's the Dewalt. Huh. Alright guys, there you go. That's going to be the end of the video. Take your pick on which one you think is the better one. I give the slight edge to, as far as volume, to Ace. And then as far as durability, like you could toss the Dewalt one around in the back of a truck and it'd probably be alright. I give it to Dewalt. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. Keep washing. John's pressure washing. We're out.